Hello, Catherine here. Welcome to day 4 of our 10-day creativity challenge. Today we're talking about time feel or time signature and maybe playing with that a little bit. So we talked about tempo already, but this is different. So each song that you're working on has a time feel, right? Maybe it's 4/4 or common time, and that's the way that the measures and the notes are grouped. Some songs are in 3/4, some songs are in 6/8. There's a bunch of different time feels. So we're going to take a look at Amazing Grace again, and we're going to try it out in a different time feel or a different time signature. Did you know that Amazing Grace is actually in 3/4? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But what if we put it in 4? Let's try it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. 1, 2, 3. We could change the tempo and the time feel. What if we put it in a more 6/8 feel? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing grace, how sweet. 3, 4, 5, 6. The sound 2, 3, 4. That saved a wretch like me. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your assignment for day 4 is to take a song you know really well or a song that you're working on and experiment with changing up the time feel or the time signature. So if it's in 4, maybe you try to put it in 3. If it's in 3, maybe try to move it to 4. Maybe it has that underlying 6/8 feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Play with that. Also, I want you to keep in mind, this is a little bit more of an advanced concept, but try it out, see how it goes, let me know, and I will see you soon in day 5. Bye. Ukulele wine time.